Hey there, love, how are you?
I am well, and how about you, my lovely alluring alloy?
Well, since moving into my new office, I am doing quite well. Oh, hello Jacob. It is wonderful to see you again.
Hi, Sarah. It's great to see you as well.
Sarah, I must return to the warehouse. Rocky Botboa is having a fit and needs my assistance.
I understand. I will see you at the mechanics later. Be well, my dear.
Likewise.
Jacob, welcome back to Industrial Packaging. I understand that you are looking for pricing on a contract packaging agreement. Is that correct?
Yes, that would be most helpful. I'm very interested in outsourcing my supply chain through contract packaging, but I need to get a total cost to see if it will fit my budget.
I understand. I am happy to help. But, to give you a total cost, you will have to answer a few questions first.
Well, okay then. What are your questions?
Alright, first things first. What are your quality standards? The higher the quality standards you have, the slower the process can be. It should also be noted that the higher your quality standards are, the higher your cost will be. If those quality standards can be built into the system through automation such as check weighers, X-ray machines, or metal detectors, it will have less impact. If the amount of sampling or quality inspections of the finished product during the run you require is more than usual, this too will add to the overall cost.
Well, we do use metal detectors, but we won't require any unusual sampling or quality inspections besides that.
Thank you, Jacob. Okay, let's move on to the next question.
Okie dokie.
Next, we need to know your run size. As is the case in any manufacturing environment, we want long runs of one product. This allows the factory to gain efficiency as the job runs. No matter how much we have mastered it, every run loses efficiency at the startup and shutdown phases. To maximize the cost, you will want to understand how long of a run you are willing to commit to. This translates into order size. The more you order, the longer the runs can be, and the more efficiency the factory will see. Tell me, Jacob, what is your run size?
Well, currently, in-house, we run 3 different lures on 3 different lines, 24 hours a day, 5 days per week. We produce 14,400 lures every 24 hours. Does that help?
Very much so, thank you, Jacob. Are you ready for the next question?
Sure am.
Do you have a very detailed project that requires complicated assembly of many parts? If so, expect a larger price tag. If you have a straightforward project that requires labor and some equipment but is easy to assemble, you will see a lower fixed cost. A simple way to determine how complex your project is to complete a time study. Assemble your unit at your desk and time yourself. While a supply chain expert will be able to do it faster as they have access to labor and equipment you don't, this will give you a baseline for how complex your item is. If it takes 25 seconds or less to assemble, you can assume it is easy to assemble the item. If it is over a minute, this is a complex item. What is the complexity of your products, Jacob?
With our current machinery, we can produce 10 lures per minute.
Fantastic. Okay, my final question is about your volume.
Let's hear it.
This is separate from run size. The overall volume of the project on an annual basis is a significant factor for your supply chain partner. It's easiest to show this by comparing 2 hypothetical companies. Company 1 has its product run for 5 days every other month. Company 2 has its product run for 10 days every month. If the products are the same, Company 2 will get better pricing. That's because the manufacturer will have a more constant workforce on that item. This means that they will be able to set up a line and leave it set up. Tell me, Jacob, which of the 2 companies are most like your current production?
The second one.
Thank you. Okay, Jacob, so here is the deal. Generally speaking, if you can leverage a high-speed filling line that requires only a few touch points, you're in the 5 cents to 15 cents per unit mark. If you have a very manual, bulky, complex point of purchase display, your cost could be over $100 per unit. If you are somewhere in the middle, the good news here is that you will be closer to the lower end than the higher. How long does it take you to assemble a product?
About 45 seconds.
Okay, based on the information you have given me, coupled with the real-time data I have collected from my connection to your current warehouse and machinery via the Internet of Things, your cost per unit will be 23 cents. Your primary and secondary packaging cost in conjunction with your third-party logistics and additional contract packaging requirements will be around $20,000 per month.
That's great! That will save me over $10,000 per month off my current in-house packaging setup.
Wonderful, Jacob, I am delighted to hear that. But the real question is, how much will contract packaging save your company?
To find out, click the link in the video description to use our free contract packaging calculator. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.